Hello, I'm Jamie. In this video, I will describe Git workflow and coordinating synchronization. The main contents are as follows. First, let me describe the process. Clone the Git resource as a working directory. Add or modify fields on the cloned resource. If someone else changes it, you can update the resource. Review changes before committing in your workspace and committing change. If an error is found, you can withdraw the commit and modify and commit again. Final push to remote repository. It was noted that the local repository is mainly to complete the feature in this project and carry out branches management. The remote repository is a process in which all the different developers work together in a pool collaboration. Okay, the second part is GitHub as the remote repository. First, create a repository on GitHub. Developers have read and write rights. They can download the new branch and the date from the remote repository and try to merge it into the current branches. Then we will update and modify local and push new branches and date to the remote. Here is a tip. Get fetch and get pull. Get fetch fetches the latest version from the remote repository to local without an automatic merge. But get pull automatic merge. From the perspective of security, get fetch is more secure than get pull because we can first compare the difference between local and remote and then selectively merge. The third part branches. When developing project, there are many people developing feature at the same time. In order not to be influenced by other developers, we can set up their own feature branches from the main. When you are done, commit changes, submit pull request, discuss proposed changes, and merge feature branch into main. The history of each commit is saved. When a problem occurs, it is much easier to locate and modify. For example, Jessica and John both have the permission to read and write to the remote project repository, and they are working together on a project. They will all be cloned into their own remote repository. So create a new branch from the master or main branch. Commit some modifications to improve the project. Push this branch to GitHub and create a merge request. Then discussion and revision. The owner of this project merges or clones your merging request. Especially at this time, the remote has been updated, so John needs to fetch, modify, and pull, and push. Here is a flow chart. In Geochemistry workflow, developers only have reading permission. Only make a pull request and submit your code to the remote. The other steps are the same as before. That's all I have to say. Next time I will show the process of workflow by GitHub desktop. If you have any question, please email me. Thank you.